CS470 tutorial in CSS using ASP.NET. In order to use CSS, you just need a basic understanding of HTML or XHTML. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It defines how HTML elements are to be displayed, and it was added to solve a problem created in HTML 4.0. CSS solved a big problem, and that problem was that HTML was never intended to contain tags for formatting a document. HTML was intended to define the content of a document, like the header tags or the paragraph tags. When tags like font were added to HTML 3.2, it became a nightmare for web developers. Code for web pages became a long and expensive process. The problem was solved by removing all HTML code from the document and then store it into a separate CSS file. All browsers today support CSS. This is a web page before CSS, and here's a web page after CSS. You don't have to use CSS when creating a web page for it to look like this, but your code would be a lot cleaner and clearer and easier to read.
Okay, so look at this web page. You can know that it's the same like our school web page in some ways. We change the colors, we change the background, we change the word. We also can add something else into it. This is color part, and look at this. There are several different kind of colors, from pink to the white. So there's different color has their different code for it, just like that one. The right one, his code is 660000, and the color for the word is 51463C. And we can change something into our own web page. And look at the Video Studio. You can see a folder, and its name is Contact. You can open it. There is a CSS Bootstrap view, and open it. You can see the body. The code of the body has several code. One of them is color, and one of them is the background color. You can change both of them, and then we can see there's some change in our web page.
Okay, so hover is the technology that every time you move your mouse onto the words, the features of the words will be changed. Let's take a look at our example. So in our navigation bar, there are actually two parts. The left part of the navigation bar is Contoso University, and the right side of the bar is the navigation. So what we want to do is to change the left side so that every time you move your mouse onto Contoso University, the color will be changed to red. And when you put on your mouse to the navigation side, those words will be underlined as what will be showing on our Western Oregon website. Okay, so take a look at these two codes. The first part of the code means we change the first navigation bar. Take a look at the color. We change the color to the red. So every time you put your mouse onto Contoso University, that words will be changed to red. And for the second part of the code, we put on the new line of code, text decoration underline. That means when you put your mouse onto the words for navigation, those words will be underlined. Okay, so then we're going to talk about the layout. So right now on the market for web browsing, we have three major devices. There are laptops, tablets, and cell phones. For each devices, the size of the screen is different. So sometimes when you're taking a look at the website using your cell phone, you'll probably notice that the words on your cell phone are extremely small. That was because the designer didn't setting the layout for those websites. So the website is assuming that every time you're browsing the web page, you are using a laptop, but actually you're using a cell phone. So that's the reason the words that shown is extremely small. So today we're gonna setting three different values for each streams. Um, you can take a look at the table, iPhone, iPad L, and MacBook. So we're gonna change the values in the codes so that the website will detect the width of your device and change the layout for the corresponding devices. So if you want, you can type in this line of code. This is our website on Azure. You're gonna see that the layout of this website has now been setting to different sizes if you change the size. Okay, make it smaller. And this is the layout for cell phone. Yeah. If you make it bigger, you can see it's now the tablet and then the laptop or computer. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.